One or two things be waha. Me pese me magana for boys we are criminals. These two boys and this lady, they are criminals. They should be treated as criminals. They are still under criminal investigation. Obi abehu emrantie we ene sa aketesi bia no. Who say omo ya kromfo a they are an enemy to the state. Omo adwiri mu no omo nya president omeku no. Per the police report a nyina yehu. Any the reasons why intia ye from call police station and the Ghana Police Service afresa enkwasiafo mienu we criminals we sa enkwasiafo we omunya president ombeku no omunya wudi omubedi inti baby omubebe and be very careful about them. You have to protect yourself. Baby abehu sa enkwofo miensa we say Obama any sa boy no basabasa no kasa we no sa nipa fi we miensa we no baby see them as people. When they get the opportunity, they want to kill the president. They want to kill the president's wife. These are people with that intent. And do not see them as ordinary people. Be very careful. Be cautious when you are around them. The police are taking cautions to make sure, say, these people don't get out of hand and don't go out there to put that plan in our because omo kafri omo no mamu huye that omo per president ni abamu ni peku omo, and that is what they want to do. Until when you see them at night, in the morning, during the day, you the person wa ube omo show husu ye. I will say wo show husu ye because they are a threat to our security. The president of the Republic of Ghana is dear to me, and the president should be dear to you. In this body team edi intuo any nyoma begu social media say sa nyoma we na wo senko for the president na say obi tena social media abrantie ababawa eka say yenya president yire betwa ne ti ye beku no sa nkofo no, don't treat them as onkophobia omoye light. They are dangerous people and you people should be careful the way you deal with them. Enti baby no, be very cautious. Munsha mu ye, protect yourselves. These are very bad people. And I'll be reminding Ghana for every single day about these people. I'll be reminding these people every single day about Sanko Fowe. There are 3 criminals. From what we have on record right now, no, they are planning to kill the president. And they are saying, say, Omunimukofo military moi. Through our political party, NPP, no, they have information that they know how the president can be killed, the president's wife. These are dangerous people. And you need to know, say, these are people, and you say a treaty almost say, normal people on the street. You're very careful, baby. We should be careful about them. We should not just see them as ordinary people. Say Obama, yes, I could have fanti and Abiwo said the. These are NPP criminals. They are NPP criminals. Me the omuma menum, omo papanum, omo yirenum ni omumba pictures ba bechiremo. We need to know who they are. Deep down, the people they move with. Omo girlfriends, nipa omo ni omo koba. Me the omuma menum pictures ba bechiremo because these are people omo bo mutimu so omo beku president enene. Our assignment now is we are getting pictures of their relatives to let Ghana Fonina to know the kind of people are for in case anything happens to the president, happens to the wife of the president, happens to any government official, we will know these people, their families. We will put their pictures up. And it's a job we are doing now. We will make sure we will expose them. We will reveal their identity. At least we will know, say, movement, this is what they want to do. Now, police report, this is what the police told us. Let me read the police report. And this is the reason why I make us say, hardened criminals. They are dangerous people. Police phone say police statement on the arrest of Daniel Adomako. Boy na nenim sampri say tete Johnny Bravo cartoon no. Omse fen fante de no. And Prince Ofori and 2 others. Now, I say the Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other security agencies, has arrested Mr. Daniel Adomako, known as social media as Sir Obama Pokuase. NPP by 8 years. Kwasia we yan to draw some Obama no. And so now, earlier today, his arrest is part of ongoing intelligence-led operations by the police and other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involved in the illegal possessions and display of sophisticated weapons. He is assisting investigations into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegally acquired sophisticated weapons. Police force say adikudientom kwachi say Obama. And then they say oni akronfo tetwa moaboaten awifo bi akosesa intuo akogu baby na sebio omakotwa ho videos ene ho pictures ene ono say Obama no ede abegu TV so say sa intuo ene akondie we na sebio yedi bedi dream abeku president ene ne yire ene aban mu mpenifo say Obama no ene me picture kirem no ono ne akokɔ red no okan eye letter na police for the buy na enie. These operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of a substantial number of illegal arms and ammunition. Into Sir Obama Pokuase no. I'm find a picture and to us and a emfa with so. Kwasiafo wonki de work baboon de chop e muamba onye. Anomana o share red no one your friend Sir Obama Pokuase no. Ono na police for or the weapons. He's somebody who is hiding illegal weapons. A tuo a sebio emra eman ho kwan and omude kogu dan bi mu. Well, omuye NPP for they are criminals. And omude kogu dan a tuo bullet bomb. Pia just a nyoma ye di ewu. Akondi ewu die and omasesa kogu dem and the police say omude na wotwe miensa edi omun tentenwa. Enti etuo na sebio eye kronu tuo ye di body pakuno eye dian eye grenade body besia bomb sa nyoma no na sebio omude akogu baby enti police for ye nhwehwemu edi omu tenteno ano ena omu kochi se Obama we a oye MPP ni oye MPP communicator oye adwuma MPP akosha menu ena sponsor no ema ne sika ema ne to sa nyoma no. Sa se Obama we police for the tentenwa na wotwe miensa ena omo ye den omo ko so ni mu na wo kan krata na omo sa dwudwa bibim ma me dwudwa mu nkire wo akronfo ma we inti akokɔ red no ono ne friend say Obama Pokuase no Kweku ba akwara no. Mr. P, do you have anything for me? Bloggers go chop. In a related development, 3 other persons, Prince Ofori, Yaya Abil, and Emmanuel Kwachere, are in the custody of the police assisting ongoing investigations into cases of threats, of death, and publication of false news following the recent helicopter crash. Into almost after Sir Obama Pokuase no, en kuko mienu na omakano, almost police echi omo. Adanya almost eshe kokwasem eshe ayadian almost she kukuom and almost social media na almost say almost person almost cool president na yere boy and who fee we and the MPP na ya former in jankama we in kwasiafo almost twin top PA key sopin yare we who fee we the almost be decry almost ding me the almost ma menom almost papa nom almost nuanum nyina pictures ba be you will see something. Now, the police service reiterates its unwavering commitment to ensuring the safety and security of all citizens by rooting out criminal elements. So, Sanko Fowi, police ni woman so a criminal element. So police ka so we a criminal element. We are there, we are owudini, we are omambofo, we are obia sebio ye jawa utumi kunipa. You have criminal elements. Ewo system nim. You can say we have criminal elements. Yawo ewudie hu akandie nipa bi ewo oman nim. Sana police ehu sankofo wi. Or say, Brofuni said, rooted out criminal elements and preventing the proliferation of illegal arms. Inti sa kromfo we ne wudifo we a omye NPP for mano. Police say omu tu oma safely o minim send ye beya menewo sebio Ghana betuma ye de. The law is the law. Inti meno ka say and Ghana brane kire say kromfo kra wo china or ho kwan say ono so bebusa bill. Inti and Ghana Police Service for Edimrano so Edi bail amas unconfirm miensa we. And on Chresa Assembly switcha. A Chresa investigations is all going. That means say they can call them tomorrow to court. They can call them tomorrow tonight to assist them into Sankofo Obia Huntono. Today Sankofo who President Mahama and then a some more event biasia Sankofo miensa we obetumi afa kotikwan so akofa edien etuo bi akobo President Mahama into omo dangerous people. They are criminal elements. Into from the police report no investigation report no a say send President Mahama ewo krom na ebia okodi dwuma bi one ne yere ene ne ma ene Ghana mpenifo omo kikire Ghana no so omo kodi dwuma bi na saa Obama we ene boy ya nanim se esie ene abayo ya nanim se fork saa nkwasiafo miensa we uhu omo ho a omo ye criminal elements omo ye criminals. They use illegal weapons. They want to kill the president. So we are not supposed to allow these people. And it's also we are not supposed to give them too much room. Me de omo maame, omo papa, omo nuanom, omo kununum, omo mma, me de omo busuafo nyina pictures ba be good TV no so, and me wiase nyina hu the kind of people who are their relatives. Send be ya se bibi to aban mu nipa na ehu omo a ye be chi omo. From ende say ye bo obi to wa aban mu, ye ku obi wa aban mu, say minister bi NPP, say president ho ka san kwasiafo miensa we ene omo a ye hwehwe omo no omo ena sebio Ghana e wo say ye ni sign omo. Say John Mahama na ne yire omo mo retu san kwasiafo we na wo say ye ni sign omo. Ene gina me pese me de omo busuafo nyina pictures be kire mo. Inti ye nya omo a ne yakobuso omo busuafo ne say na mo mana omo kan mre bi so omo beku president omo beku ne yire de na osie tuo osie bomb no omo wo he because omo busuafo ne betuma kire bebi omo wo. Inti I'll come and display their family. All right, now, we Makacha Ghana for say, we respect the law. Now, look at Mr. P. Mr. Osha san kwasiafo we na yesi police for call mo dem na osha edan ya mo dem awurade Ghana pa na bucket a mo di dware oba abrochire a bucket di dware mponko enu bi na mo di dware wo mo dem hwe bucket a yesi den eyi bucket a ewo mo dem mo di dware hwe bucket a ewo esi dem mo di dware bucket di dware mponko abrochire ene na nkwasiafo we di dware na omo nam Ghana say omo ye NPP communicators omo momu say omo beku president hwe bakete wo omo dem omo di dware oba abrochi ye di dware mponko ye sansuo ne ye di detol egum di dware mponko na ase nipa we hwe bakete gugu omo dem hwe ade bi gugu omo hwe napkin bi ase de pipa bini san nkwasiafo we tete Ghana. And a whole political party as NPP. These are the people they are telling you, say, I'm the party about power. Mr. P, show me them. Show me them. Na kwasia wait to social media do what them. Me kramai wo krum ha. Me kramai on das ade we mu. Enti ede na akwa we kan asema na ya wo ya. Hwe dan ya mu dem. And yet TV so yes say Obama pokuase wafre kwasi ade he ewurade nyankopon na yetumi tena Ghana ewu ha ye show saa wo TV so na say Kwame Sefa kind of di baby oni obi ye tumi ye show na minister kasa ye so twaso ye se Obama poku ase afre ye se wa text kwasia we ponko bucket no di dware kwasia we so tenkran ye se kohwe ma meti entabuom ne ma meti entabuom tete latest form no daso kwasia we tenkran na Kwame Sefa kind John Obi kwasi ampanyi na ye discuss issue a minister to me kasa o minister twen say Obama poku ase text inti ye bekan ade we ponko bucket no di dware urade bucket we di dware ponko ko Minnesota na ko Kentucky baby Kentucky race no ye de ponko de ye de sansuo gu ponko ho na kwasi we say ono na Ghana we mu na NPP for said yen ye meti o mo fa me kyekyere man ne enfo mo mbra power na yeti na TV so na Kwame Sefa kan obi kwasi ampanyi no na bo se otiwa ya say oh show no sources bi a text ye say Obama poku ase a text na ye Jaíl show no na kwasi awe hwe no fi we ponko bucket na sini dem inti na yetie se Obama a text NPP ba power 8 years kwasia we omuntuma hwe ne sakraman hwe no ho 8 years ne ma metintebuom Kwabena tenkran en ponko bucket no di dware osa no de support etwa na se kwasia we sen kwasia fo ma we ehia fo ma wo ena mu yusu omo wo hwe omo nim omo gugu a ehia fo ma omo hu fin omu ko school papa bia omu ni any life insurance omu ni nothing asam to na eche ejiji sika e de boa no asam to na eche ejiji sika ye go fund me we mu omu che imponche a na ni nyina ne se omu de bucket imponko bucket ni dware we omu che imponche a omu che se omu bucket the difference in appointed to me ko to bucket san kwasiafo ehiafo ma ehia former way, Adantra former way, they have nothing to their names. And these fools will sit on social media. And then they want to tell you, say, Utie omo, abra omo papa no man mobra. Omo papa no man ama omo bra papa. Wemu, mesi asabu to omo ne, malaria ball mu 2 days, eche ejiji sika de show omo. Yeso oba no a hairdresser. Oba kwa koshe, ne salon ho. Konko esiwe nyina nkunim activator ba kuponi ho na oba kwasiaba social media NPP wabetena ho said yen an social media nti na yatumi tena hwe aso me ka beka se me boa he Paul Adomoche kwasia we otumi betena TV so yeso Paul Adomoche ye show okay now we break it osia dey a say Obama poku ase hwe
Jampo, any other remark? I know him.
He says, how about making the voting day a statutory public holiday? Wouldn't you agree that it will erase this issue of voting having to end at 3 p.m.? And lastly, Prof. Jampo, why have you blocked me on Facebook?
Oh, you have blocked Sir Obama Pokwase.
I don't know what he's talking about. Please, I have not.
He's called Sir Obama Pokwase.
Obama, maybe you were insulting me. But I don't think I have people who manage my account, and so sometimes they do some. Obama, maybe reach me privately. We'll sort that out, please. Okay. I think you are a nice guy. I mean, people have been hearing your name.
Inkwasiasem na jampo so abetena ho. Omo address Obama de se nipa. Rade yagopo. Hwe nkwasiade de ti Ghana kro nim. Se Obama pokwas no nie. Me de ne ma ene ne yere picture ba bekire mo. Ye be expose obi a. Ye be hu be de obi a ye. Ye de cameras be di omochi. Ni amo ate ase se o man na ye kyekyere no president hu hia ye. Yetumi tena ho na yetie show. Yes say Obama pokuase bia text. Obagye say akobi ote office bia. Sebio wa employ nipa bia. Wa bobra a sebio otumi tuaka. Emponko bucket ne sine dem. Nipa fi we. Imre bia meka say Akufo Addo certificate. Na Kweku baako na de ni say watch no. Wa ko frɛ boy we. Ko chocho nyoma bo Facebook tia Kevin Taylor. Kwase awe Kweku baako yuzu no. This is what I keep talking to you guys about. Sure. si yekasi expose obia omukasa of social media ubenu hu se wutie nkofo bi on social media yekasi ye expose obia on social media ye de omu nyina pictures ba na ye kire omu nyina omu ase a me say you will be shocked ebaya wo ya say nipa bi wo krampo a you sit and you listen to them on social media. You'll be shocked. Inti unwo bi disa Paul Addo na wabetena TV so na already text message say oh Paul say Obama pokwa say into talk say oh Paul donim nyansa o and say Obama we there or ye nipa bi a wabo bra onim nyansa hwe nkwase asem.
This to me. He's writing to us from Pokwasi, and he says, Paul Addo, the General Secretary of the NDC, Johnson Asidun Katia, alias General Mosquito, minutes ago on Asempa FM's flagship program, Ekosi, saying, describe your political analysis as one tantamount to a village lotto forecaster analysis. As an unrepentant viewer of your super classic show, Good Evening Ghana, I am deeply pained and will want you to know. Please marshal all the forces and address General Mosquito's name calling very well on tonight's show. Please, P.S. He says, if you fail to do so, I will stop watching your fine political program forthwith. Don't disappoint me. Bless up. Thanks for understanding. Sincerely, Sir Obama. Obama is calling us to war. Obama, don't stop watching the program. Don't stop. Don't stop. You continue watching the program. But all we have to say about Johnson, so those of you who are hearing all this for the first time, 2 weeks ago or so, this to me. He's right.
I keep telling you now, Tifie. Oh, Paul Addo ready akwebi say friend say Obama pokwase message. Onye ponko bucket in the sine dem. Urade nyangopo. Yes, I need high power wo mwa we hu. Won Paul is you tete and already akwa na ode ponko bucket dware no ni message and what was say we dey bu man on to me nto 34 bucket o wato ponko bucket sani passing and yet wona yet Ghana say we ma frenti yakoto aba because say Obama opokwase bi kwase bi aka asem bi on to me hwe ne ho hwe ne kon I say why hwe na hem hwe ne kon hwe ne nsa hwe ba kono so kwase campaign no hwe ni ti ho hwe ehia fo ma omo ho fin me say me de omo ma me nom ne omo papa nom pictures ba be kire mo bohu me ba be kire mo omo ma me nom papa nom me be kire mo pictures e ho na mo be ka say ehia ya ka say ohia buburo e de so be ka say wagimi no bi so aka ka say wagimi bruta me be kire mo ohia buburo we mu ehia fo ma mema omo ma me nom akoma bo brim mema omo papa nom omo yere nom omo nipa e ben omo akoma bo mema Ghana hu omo si bi omo tie. Remember the young people in Ghana, they will understand say politics, and ya jandam ready politics. And ya tro me the way mbe set example of Ghana. Yeah. Gawe yasene ma me yare serious Japan water region free. Awunani aboa. Yase ma gawe ne ma me yare ontumi po hume. Ne ma me yare owu ani. Metumi imbotom sika ahwe ne ma me anante. I'm telling you, me nyo Nyankopon, but I can financially help ne ma me. And so kwasi aba we to social media, ogin so bi anim. Waye bem setete pan no. Kekan kwasi asem aden a NPP Asante party. And omoka che say did atam aden Kevin Taylor did atam see di atam no ko di judge atam no hwe the difference between me and who was scared before lawyer. Most of mama names me be show ohia buburo ye wo ohia and ye wo ohia buburo ye wo Jimmy and wakase we Jimmy bruta me be show ohia buburo we mu omo ebusuafo ye hiafo Erade de omo di aba no omo nu omo ho he mema omo bi omo busuafo nya heart attack ewu me say sankofo we omo ma menom no papa nom mema ebie nya heart attack ewu sibia omo ma pese nkofo papa nom wu no me de omo ensema be to social media am wiase hu who they are me be kire omo ase se na be ya oti social media no so and whatever social media, whatever you call it. Also, we see nyansa. Also, we see nyansa. Almost just a DH. A young for ma. Yamama 500 Ghana, 1,000 Ghana. And to me, more. They are using these fools. Oh, I'm going to the daddy domufie for almost 2 weeks. Now, for the daddy that sells. Adiachia, no mabejino, moye, no problem. Yabe buawati, yabe yimo, no makofie, no jantra for akoda. Akosha be ne hwene se bini, no ne kuna akoda. Ono ne politics o womu no. The money relevant ne se okobo jantra no ware eye den, makmenu ba eno ano no. Akosha be nu, ne hwene se bini. Owia no akoda ne kunu so wabutu no, na ne tibo da ho, na panyan, na do kwasi ada cells. Osi han, yabe wini wate, NPP de wejimi. Ebi ani and mumu bebre no ebe pamo ehiafo asefo bubro ehiafo bubu bubro ehiafo ma yaka se ehiafo ma ye wo omo ba asase so no o kan papa to omo maame ebesi omo so a omo nya 10,000 Ghana ma ehiafo ma we mo buburo we met me adapt to say met me be orphanage ma adapt to mo ahwa mo we mo I can take care of them till they die met me ahwa nkofo we mo ti was so mekum president the two ba be say Ghana I can take care of them met me ahwa mo say nkoko I can take care of them memo 3 square meal a day balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the essential food nutrients. I will give them balanced diet we mo met me ahwa mo till say they will die. I can take care of them. Kwasiafo is a threatening president. Na ye can. Na wo nana ya kunedu we num tantan sa wase. Etiti social etiti Peace FM. Kase na abrante bi ba e Gyama ne koye. Wunni ne Gyama me koye. Wunni ene Gyama me koye. Kwasiafo ma. Mami njom.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.